Zlendo Realty includes an intelligent Vastu prediction feature to help you design balanced and positive living spaces. From the main menu, select Vastu to begin your analysis. Click on Generate Premium Report to evaluate your design based on traditional Vastu principles. The report opens in a detailed viewer, providing a clear overview of your layout's Vastu compliance. You can review key sections such as score breakdown, entrance evaluation, room analysis, Brahmasthan analysis, and elemental balance. Visual indicators and scores make it easy to understand strengths and areas for improvement. With this report, you can refine your layout confidently and align your design with Vastu recommended guidelines. Click on the Download PDF option in the report viewer. The complete Vastu analysis is exported as a PDF document, making it easy to share with clients, architects, or keep for future reference.